Hello students, a very good morning. Let us start today's session, chapter 6 fraction continuation. The topics are subtraction of like fractions. When subtracting a like fraction from another like fraction, write the difference between the numerators in the numerator and write the common denominator in the denominator. Let us see one example. Example 6.14. Subtract 2 by 13 from 5 by 13. Students, here the denominators are same. That is 13. So subtract only the numerators. What we have to do? We have to subtract 5 by 13 minus 2 by 13. So take the denominator as a common. So 5 minus 2 by 13. What is 5 minus 2? 3. So the answer is 3 by 13. Yes? Next. Exercise problem 6.6. Subtract the following. 4 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Here the denominator is 7. So we have to take denominator as common. So what is the numerator? 4 and 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3 by 7. Next. 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Answer. Take 9 as a common denominator. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4 by 9. Next. 5 by 10 of a wall is to be painted. Ramu painted 2 by 10 of it. How much more is to be painted? Is a word problem, students. Answer. Fraction of a wall to be painted is equal to 5 by 10. Ramu painted of it is equal to 2 by 10. Then fraction of a wall more to be painted is equal to 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Just we have to write down the statement and do the subtraction. Is it clear? Yes? Next, multiplication of fractions. While multiplying a fraction with a single digit number, the numerator only is multiplied with a single digit number and the denominator remains the same. Let us see one example. Example 6.16. Multiply 2 by 3 with 5. So we have to multiply the numerator only with a fraction and write the denominator as same. Okay. So 2 by 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5 by 3. So 2 5s are 10. Answer is 10 by 3. Just multiply the numerator with the fraction and write the denominator as it is. Is it clear? Next, exercise problem, exercise 6.7, multiply the following. 1 by 7 into 4. Answer. 1 by 7 into 4 is equal to 1 into 4, that is 4 by 7. Next, 3 by 8 into 5. Answer. 3 into 5s are 15 by 8. Third problem, 7 by 11 into 6. So, 7 into 6 are 42 by 11. Next, 21 by 50 into 2. Multiply the numerator with the fraction, that is 21 into 2s are 42 by 50. Then see the fifth problem. 15 by 32 into 3. 3 15s are 45 by 32. Is it clear? Very simple problems. Next, second question. John has 300 ml of water in a glass and he drinks 2 by 3 ml of water. How many ml of water does he drink? Answer, statements. Capacity of water John had in a glass is equal to 300 ml. Capacity of water drinks by John is equal to 2 by 3 ml. Now we are going to find out how many liter of water John drinks in ml. So 2 by 3 into 300 ml. See the cancellation, students. 3 ones are 3, 300 hundreds are 300. So the answer is 2 into 100, 200 ml. 200 ml of water John drinks. Is it clear? Relationship between fractions and decimals. Students, so far we have seen fractions, right? How to compare the fraction, how to convert unlike to like fraction, and how to add and subtract and multiply the fractions. Now, with the fraction, how to write down the fraction in a decimal way. See, here there are 10 parts are there. Out of the 10 parts, one part is shaded. So what will be the fraction, student? Is it 1 by 10? How we have to write this fraction into a decimal? This 1 by 10, it can be written in another way as, that is in a decimal way as 0.1. See this diagram which is given here. 0, it is represent whole number part, and the point is called as decimal point, and 1 is called as decimal part. Is it clear, students? 0.1 means 0, it is called as whole number part, and the point is called decimal point, and 1 is called decimal part. Let us see the example. Before that, how to read this decimal number. 0.1 is read as, we must write down in a words 0.1. Is it clear, students? If it is 0.2 means we have to write 0.2. See the example 6.18. Convert the following fraction into decimals. Take 3 by 10. It is same as 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. So 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. See the second example, 45 by 10. So we have to keep a decimal point after one number, because in the down we are having only 10, right? So 45 can be written as 4.5. See the third example, 112 by 10. It can be written as 11.2. So whatever the number, that is like any digits of number, but we have to keep the decimal point after one number when the denominator has 10. Is it clear, students? Next. Example 6.19. Convert the following decimals into fraction. In the previous example, we learned how to convert fraction into decimal. Now this example, we are going to learn how to convert decimal to fraction. Take 3.6. So 3.6 can be written as 36 by 10. See the second problem. 20 by 7 can be written as 207 by 10. And 18.9 can be written as 189 by 10. Very simple problem, students. Yes. Let us see the exercise problems. Exercise 6.8. Write the following decimals in words. First problem, 0.5. How we have to write down this 0.5? 0.5. We have to write down in words. Then see the second problem, 0.8 is equal to 0.8. Third problem, 3.5. Fourth problem, 6.9. Yes. Second subdivision, express the following fractions as decimal. 4 by 10, see the fraction part, 4 by 10 is equal to, in the decimal part, how we have to write? 0.4. Second problem, 12 by 10 is equal to 1.2. 23 by 10 is equal to 2.3, as we seen in the example problems, right? Then 146 by 10 is equal to 14.6. Yes. Then third subdivision, express the following decimals as fraction. So they have given in a they have given in a decimal. Now we have to write down in a fractions. 38.9, how to write down? 389 by 10. And 9.8 in the decimal part they have given, we have to write 98 by 10. Third one, 10.4 is equal to 104 by 10. Last one, 0.8 is equal to 8 by 10. Yes, students? Students, with this chapter gets over. So what are the things we learnt in this chapter, students? First, we learned the types of fraction, then how to convert unlike to like fractions, then how to compare the fraction and addition and subtraction of like fractions, then multiplications of like fractions, then how to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fractions. Students, hope you understand this chapter. Just practice all the problems. Yes? With this chapter gets over, students. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.